Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to call Venmo customer service. I know this is a pretty basic question, but I get asked about it all the time. So, I thought it would be helpful to do a video on it. Before we get started, I want to say that I'm not an employee of Venmo. I'm just a regular user who's trying to help out. What is Venmo? If you're not familiar with Venmo, it's a mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay for dinner, or just send someone some money. How to call Venmo customer service. Now that we know what Venmo is, let's talk about how to call their customer service. There are a few different ways to do this. You can call their main customer service number, you can use their live chat feature, or you can submit a help request form. Main customer service number. The main Venmo customer service number is 1-855-936-6636. You can call this number 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Live chat. If you don't want to call the main customer service number, you can use their live chat feature. To access live chat, go to the Venmo website and click on the Help button. Then, click on Contact Us. You'll be able to chat with a customer service representative in real time. Help request form. If you're not able to get help through the main customer service number or live chat, you can submit a help request form. To submit a help request form, go to the Venmo website and click on the Help button. Then, click on Contact Us. You'll be able to fill out a form with your information and the issue you're having. Tips for calling Venmo customer service. Here are a few tips for calling Venmo customer service. Be patient. Customer service representatives can get busy, so you may have to wait on hold for a while. Be polite. Even if you're frustrated, it's important to be polite to the customer service representative. Have your information ready. When you call customer service, be sure to have your Venmo username and password ready. Be specific about your issue. The more specific you are about your issue, the easier it will be for the customer service representative to help you. Follow the instructions. The customer service representative will likely ask you to follow some instructions. Be sure to follow these instructions carefully. Calling Venmo customer service can be a bit of a hassle, but it's not impossible. By following the tips in this video, you should be able to get the help you need. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you learn how to call Venmo customer service. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.